Welcome back, scientists. Wasn't that cool? Did you hear the fizzing? Did you smell the vinegar? You get to get all of the components in of being a scientist when you do these experiments. All right, so I promised you we were going to get a little fancy with it. So you can see on my tray, now I have 4 different Easter eggs. I have pinkish red, orange, yellow, and blue. So in the order of a rainbow. So let's see if we can get a really cool rainbow effect from it when we pour in the vinegar. So I'm going to go ahead and put my baking soda into each egg. And then after that, I'm going to put my food coloring. All right, so I'm going to put my red in my red. 1, 2, 3, 4. And even though this says yellow, it sure is coming out orange. So we're going to call it orange. 1, 2, 3, 4. Green. 2, 3, 4. And blue. Now, if you decide to do this and get fancy with it and try to do them all at once, you definitely want to have a grown-up with you, because what I'm going to do, instead of measuring out each capful, I want to see what kind of reaction I get when I put it on top of all of it at once. So go get you a grown-up to help you with this so you don't make a big giant mess. I don't want anyone getting in trouble for it. All right, here we go. Woo! Look at that. That sure is cool. So many bright and beautiful colors. I love it. Okay, so at the beginning I told you that I understand you might not have any of these Easter eggs left. Maybe you accidentally got rid of them after you ate all the candy. So I want to show you what other things you can use. So like I said, you can use a plastic water bottle. And I'm going to put that in here in my mess. See, again, why I have a container. And I'm going to show you what it would look like if you don't have food coloring and you just use a water bottle with baking soda. So I'm going to take the baking soda and put it into the empty water bottle container. And then I'm going to take a capful of vinegar and pour it in there. And you see, you can still get the reaction. It's just fizzing up. That's really the basic reaction of mixing baking soda with vinegar. Add a little bit more, see if we can get it to come out. There it goes. Really get it to pour out and bubble. So that's one option. Or you can use a bowl, and I can actually do this outside of the bucket because it will stay in there. So I'm going to put a spoon of baking soda. Oh, let's jazz this one up with some color. And then I'm going to pour in the vinegar. So we can see that that fizzes up also. And it's contained in this bowl. Don't want to overdo it. That would be a cool one to take outside and maybe do on the concrete. All right, I'm going to have one more really cool extension for you when you get back. Have fun trying these out, and I'll see you in a little bit.